Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your guy, Martin the Mechanic. Today we're changing out the speaker for the Cadillac DeVille 05. First, you want to take out the screw right here. The regular screwdriver, it's a regular screw. You pull that out, you lift the handle, and pull out the little shield here. It's a shield that go in here like that. Pop that out, boom. Take the screw out, boom. Next thing you do is you come over to the lock knob and you pull it up. In here, right? And inside of here, there's a little clip. You gotta get something like a pick, probably right in there, pull it out, and just come right up on a T15. Sure y'all can see that. T15. Right here, boom. Get that out. And I'm gonna start at the bottom, put the screwdriver in, pop it. See all these little pieces right here. You wanna pop them out. Boom. This is it right here. Pop it out. And around. And boom, your doors apart. If you're changing out the speakers like I am, these are 4 bolts or screws. They got the bolt in on it. And it's a 6mm nut or a 1/4. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what it's gonna look like when I'm done. And here we go. It's on. What I did was I actually bought these connectors from Amazon separately. This is the old solid one. It's all worn out and stuff, man. There you go. And we're gonna see if everything worked out right. Good to go.